just teaches you the basic skills. I mean, it's a little bit exaggerated. You're not going to come across something this fine-tuned in the field, but it gives you the basic skills of maneuvering the equipment, being safe with it, teaches you control.
So why are you doing it today?
Experience. You know, you gotta take your time. This is definitely different from the first year, 2019, before COVID hit. Yeah. So they definitely got creative.
Definitely got to take your time. Gotta have patience, and with everybody watching, it makes you real nervous. And that's the key right there. We get nervous.
Yeah, it's fun. Team building. I guess we get to cheer for each other, root each other on, and hope each other does well.